Hello, my name is Kedar Kondap, and I lead handset products at Qualcomm Technologies Inc. My team is responsible for the development of our many Snapdragon mobile platforms for the last many generations. Today, I'm pleased to announce 4 new additions to our portfolio. Back in June of this year, we announced our Snapdragon 888 Plus as a more premium enhancement in our 8 series. Today, we're excited to share 4 new platforms to enhance our other tiers as well. Introducing 3 5G platforms: the Snapdragon 778G Plus, the Snapdragon 695, and the Snapdragon 480 Plus. In addition to the 3 5G platforms, we are also introducing Snapdragon 680 to provide our consumers an enhanced 4G user experience. All these platforms are designed to enable increased performance and capabilities with new options across our 7, 6, and 4 series. As 5G continues to grow rapidly around the world, we're seeing increasingly strong demand for 5G devices. It is projected that more than 750 million 5G handsets will ship in 2022. Across so many 5G smartphones, we see smartphone manufacturers around the world moving to end-to-end platform solutions for their devices. With over 40 semiconductor components in any given mobile device, our Snapdragon platforms offer end-to-end solutions to resolve complexity. Snapdragon solutions free up manufacturer resources, allowing our OEM partners to focus on amazing user experiences and device differentiation. Snapdragon also brings a well-established ecosystem of partner solutions to further enrich consumer mobile experiences. We're also seeing consumers buying upwards into higher-tier devices, the desire driven for more 5G and more access to premium features. Globally, smartphone owners on average plan to spend $80 more on their next smartphone device. And with 5G now accessible to more than 3.5 billion people combined, 5G smartphone options exist across all tiers. OEMs are now delivering attractive, lower-cost 5G smartphone options to consumers everywhere, all contributing to the rapid scaling of 5G around the world. With such excitement and demand in the industry, there is excellent traction and momentum across all of our Snapdragon tiers. We bring cutting-edge features from the Snapdragon 8 series into our Snapdragon 7, 6, and 4 series, contributing to the growing demand and momentum in every series. We've seen our Snapdragon 7 series grow by 44% in the last year alone, with tremendous high-tier demand. There is continued demand for 5G solutions in 4 series. In less than 1 year, there are more than 85 devices announced or in development based on our first 5G 4 series platform, the Snapdragon 480. And in our 6 series, consumer trends are emerging that show mid-tier smartphones will be the main driver for 5G adoptions, especially in emerging markets. 5G is Qualcomm's biggest priority this year and beyond. And 5G is scaling rapidly around the world, but it's not everywhere just yet. For example, in India, 61% of mobile subscribers rely on 4G LTE. There is still consistent demand for incredible mobile experiences over LTE. And we will continue to develop platforms to serve markets like India in their transitional time till 5G becomes available. What we are introducing today are 4 platforms: the Snapdragon 778G Plus, the Snapdragon 695, the Snapdragon 480 Plus, and the Snapdragon 680 4G. Each of these platforms enhancing our robust portfolio and addressing the growing and diverse demand. We are very fortunate to collaborate with many innovating smartphone OEMs to bring Snapdragon-powered devices and experiences to users around the world. Look for devices based on our 4 newest platforms in the coming months. Thank you.